Hi to everyone, myself Dr. C. Vimla Rani, Associate Professor, Department of EEE, SRM Madurai College for Engineering and Technology. Now in this video I am going to explain about the basics of MOSFET. MOSFET stands for Metal Oxide Semiconductor Field Effect Transistor. MOSFET is a capacitor operated transistor device. In this diagram, there is a N substrate. On this N substrate, heavily doped P regions are formed. Above the P region, there is a silicon dioxide layer. In this layer, there is an aluminum plate which is pasted on the top of the silicon dioxide layer. So the silicon dioxide layer acts as a dielectric medium, and aluminum plate and P substrate act as a electrode. So MOSFET acts as a capacitor. Here we have four types of MOSFET based on the construction: P channel enhancement MOSFET, N channel enhancement MOSFET, P channel depletion MOSFET, and N channel depletion MOSFET. Based on the gate voltage, the voltage applied on the gate, it is categorized as enhancement and depletion MOSFET. So in this second diagram, there is a P channel enhancement MOSFET. In this P channel, there is a N substrate. The heavily doped P regions are diffused into the P substrate. There is a silicon dioxide layer. There is an aluminum plate. These three regions forms the gate, drain, and source terminal. The negative voltage is applied on the gate terminal. It forms the P channel between the P regions, which is used to current flows through the drain to source. So it is called as a P channel enhancement MOSFET. Here we have a N channel enhancement MOSFET. Is a P substrate. There is a heavily doped N plus regions. Above the N plus region, there is a silicon dioxide layer. The positive gate voltage is applied on the gate. There is a layer is formed below the silicon dioxide layer, which is mainly due to electrons, which is a N channel. Through this N channel, the current is flows through the drain to source. So based on this, we have categorized this MOSFET as a N channel MOSFET and P channel MOSFET. Here we have a working principle of MOSFET. The MOSFET has three terminals called drain, source, and gate terminal. The drain and source are the power terminal of the switch. The gate is the control terminal. Based on the voltage applied on the gate, only we can control the MOSFET. The control voltage to implement turn on is applied between the gate and source terminal. Direction of forward current flow in the N channel MOSFET is from drain to source. Here we have a symbol of MOSFET. MOSFET has three terminals: drain, gate, and source. The arrow indicates the current flow through drain to source. In N channel, the current flow from drain to source. In P channel, the current flow from source to drain. Here in this diagram, this is the basic structure of the MOSFET. There is a P substrate. On this heavily doped N regions with N plus regions. Above the N region, there is a silicon dioxide layer. In this N plus region, there is two terminals, drain and source. The voltage is applied between these two terminals. The drain is positive with respect to source. So drain to P substrate is the reverse bias. In this mode, there is no current flows through the drain to source. There is a silicon dioxide layer above the N plus region. This forms the gate terminal. The voltage is applied to the gate terminal with respect to source. The gate terminal is positive. There is electric field forms below the silicon dioxide layer. This field will attract the minority carriers of the P substrate, which is electrons. The electrons is accumulated below the silicon dioxide layer, which forms the N channel. So through this N channel only the current flow from drain to source. Based on this, the MOSFET is going to turn on. This is the N-channel power MOSFET. The N-channel power MOSFET is shown in the figure is a planar diffuser metal oxide semiconductor device. In this there is a N plus substrate is high resistivity. N minus layer is epitaxially grown. The thickness of the N minus layers determines the voltage blocking capability of the device. On the other side of the N plus region is a metal layer which forms the drain terminal of the power MOSFET. Now the P region is diffused in the epitaxially grown N minus region. In this P region there is a heavily doped N plus regions are formed. In this N plus regions forms the source terminal of the MOSFET. So the voltage is applied between the source and drain is the VDD. So there is a gate terminal. Above the N plus region there is a silicon dioxide layer which forms the gate terminal. The positive gate voltage is applied between the gate and source terminal. The positive voltage is applied in the gate terminal. There is an electric field is formed. This electric field attracts the electrons from the P region and also from the N plus region. This forms the N layer below the silicon dioxide layer. So this N channel is used to current flow from the source to drain. Based on this way, the power MOSFET also working. So when we are using P channel and N channel, P channel MOSFET, the gate voltage is negative, which forms the electric field which attracts the holes from the respective regions, which forms the P channel. So which is also used to flow the current through the drain to source voltage. So based on this working, the MOSFET is used in many applications. So power electronics field, the MOSFET is very much used. Very much used. So for further video, please in future you may contact this mail ID. Thank you so much.